Hi guys. Okay, let's eat coffee. Okay, jato. Cookies and sambusa. Cookies. Cookies from Starbucks. Oh, yummy, delicious. But then, fresh milk with tura-tura. Tapos, i-mix na to diri para di kayo siya sumol. Yeah. Mura-mura na siya cappuccino ang dating. So, this is it. Mamahaw. Ini may pamahaw na ko ini. I love cookies. Basta Starbucks. Grabe ka delicious. Super yummy. Bye.